Can you outsource laundry? Yes, it is possible to outsource your laundry to a professional service. There are a few different options available. 1. Wash and fold services. Many laundromats and dry cleaners offer wash and fold services where you can drop off your dirty laundry and have it cleaned, dried, and folded for a fee. 2. Laundry delivery services. Some companies offer laundry pickup and delivery services where they will pick up your dirty laundry, clean it, and deliver it back to you. 3. Housekeeping services. If you have a housekeeper or cleaning service, you may be able to arrange for them to handle your laundry as well. 4. Online laundry services. There are also a number of online laundry services that allow you to order laundry pickup and delivery through their websites or apps. Overall, outsourcing your laundry can be a convenient way to save time and effort, although it can also be more expensive than doing your own laundry. The cost of outsourcing your laundry will depend on the specific service you choose and the amount of laundry you need to be done. We really appreciate your support. If you want to see more of our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.